Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lexie. If you're not, well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial on this peachy look that I created, and without further ado, let's go on with the video. So for the entire look, I'll be going in with my Morphe 35 palette, and I'll be using that orangey mustard shade as my transition color, and using my Morphe brush in circular and windshield wiper motions to really blend that color in.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Next, I'll be grabbing that very deep bright orange shade on the palette and using it as my crease color with an M518 Morphe brush to give the look a bit more contrast. To give the look a little bit more dimension, I'm going to be using that very dark chili red color in the palette and buffing it out with the same brush. So for this look, I am going to be doing a half cut crease, and I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand, or in the shade number 20, I believe.
Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
To set the concealer, you can use any white shadow you have. I'll be using the one in the 35B palette because I don't have anything else. To make that cut crease a bit more seamless, I am going to be putting that chili red color on the outer third of the eye and pushing it very slowly towards the inner third of the eye. And then I'll be grabbing that orangey mustard shade to really blend those two colors in. And with this technique, you are looking for a gradient effect for that cut crease to look very smooth. To make the look a bit more fierce and more dramatic, I am going to be using my NYX Cosmetics liquid liner to create a very sharp wing. And of course, with lashes, I love using dramatic lashes with a dramatic look, so I am going to be using Cocoa Lashes in the style Amore.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
To prime the face, I am going to be using my Too Faced Hangover X Primer, all-time favorite. And today I'm going to be using a very new foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Liquid Foundation. To be honest, it did dry up very quickly when I applied it on my face. It was very hard to blend. So if you guys do plan on purchasing this foundation, I recommend applying it in portions of your face. So start off with one half of the face, blend it out, then go on to the other half and blend that side, just because it does dry out very quickly. So finally, I restocked on my favorite drugstore concealer. This one is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I am going to be blending it with a beauty blender.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop inside.
To set the entire face, I am going to be using my favorite Airspun Translucent powder.
Hold tight, chemicals collide.
And I'm also going to be using my favorite bronzer from Too Faced. This one is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade medium/deep.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move.
For bottom eyeshadow, I am going to be using the deep bright orange color in the palette.
Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
And then for blush, I'll be using my MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Mocha. By the way, let me know if you guys know any other blush that's bomb. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics in the scent Peach. And then for highlight, I'll be using my MAC Cosmetics Skin Mineralize in the shade Soft and Gentle. I honestly think I've been using this lipstick in mostly all my videos. I'm so sorry, but it's my most favorite nude lipstick. This one is the ColourPop and Eye of Saturday collab in the shade 951.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
And of course, being the perfectionist I am, I love using a very sharp eyeliner brush to really clean up that lipstick.
Dripping lights, paint the skies.
And finally, that is it for this peachy makeup look I created. I hope you guys found this video entertaining or helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much, guys.